Are we ready?
Yeah.
This time we're going to talk about good breathing and not so good breathing. So what do you think good breathing is?
Breathing through your nose.
Good breathing is breathing through the nose.
And breathing when no one else can hear it.
You can't hear it, and nobody else can hear it. Can you hear your breathing? You can hear your breathing. Is that good breathing? Good breathing, Keen, is when breathing is silent. Listen. Come here. Is there any noise?
No.
What else is good breathing?
When you can't see it.
You can't see it. So, when you're looking at somebody's breathing, you're trying to see, is there movement? How much movement is there? And you keep it so quiet. And the third factor is keeping them out
Close it.
all the time.